We are back with the Fluke Biomedical ESA700 series electrical safety analyzer. That's right, the 700 series, which includes the ESA710, 712, and in this case, the ESA715. Again, all three, the ESA710, which is a US only device, the 712, and the 715, all in that ESA700 series. Now, what I've done is I went ahead and completed a procedure and I forgot to print it. So can I still print that? Absolutely. What I would do is I would go back to my results, up here in the top corner, go to my results, pull up my procedure as such, and now all of a sudden I have a printer key. I'm going to go ahead and use this Zebra printer, hit print, select the fact that I would like a sticker, and hit print. And the next thing you know, my sticker prints out, and I have my biomed sticker, including the title, our phone number, the results of the past, the tester, the date tested, and the date due. Now I can simply peel this off and go and stick it on my medical device and find my next device. Thank you very much, and we'll see you in our next video.